How to upload any file, whether it is an image or a video, in Google Drive. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be diving deep into this particular topic on how you can upload any file into the Google Drive or the cloud using your Android device. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that we will be going to do is simply launch your Google Drive. If you don't have Google Drive in your device, you can simply download or install it from the Play Store. Now, once you have your Google Drive installed, simply tap and open onto this Google Drive option, and you will see an interface like this. So this is the home screen. Now, in order to upload, we can either choose this plus option right here, or we can also navigate to that particular folder under which we want to add any particular file from our device. So once you are here, simply click onto this up option, and in this plus option you will have this option of upload. So simply click on this upload button and then choose that particular file that you want. So you can also sort them according to their file type. Like, let's say if I want to choose document, then only the documents will show up. So let's say I want to choose this document, so I will simply tap and select this. I can also choose multiples if I want, and then I will select this option. Now it gives me a storage warning, but I'm going to dismiss it. And now you can see that it is waiting for Wi-Fi, and once it finds Wi-Fi, it will easily upload this particular file. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.